Hi everyone, Amber Irwin here with Social Speak Network. There's been a little bit of issues with people adding their Instagram images to Pinterest and not being able to have it connect. And what we were doing in previous videos is coming to Instagram, copying that link, coming into Instagram, creating a pin, and then saving from site. You would put that link into there, and then it would automatically generate that image. Well, that's not working anymore. So you have two options. Option one is the free option, which takes a little bit more time. And that is you take the image that you put onto Instagram, which I'm just going to do a quick screenshot of this. You copy the content that you have on Instagram, come to Pinterest, upload this image manually, put in the description and title, select the board that you want it to go to. And then the one benefit about doing it this way is when you had saved it from Instagram before, that link automatically took it back to the Instagram account, which isn't necessarily a bad thing, but here you can change the link so it goes just to your website. Now, a new thing that Pinterest has done is you can actually schedule this to a later date, so you don't have to post it right away. So you can schedule your pins on Pinterest, which is great. If you wanted to publish right away, you'd come up here to click publish. Now, one thing, this option two is using Tailwind. Tailwind's a tool that we've talked about a few times, and it connects to your Pinterest and your Instagram account. And this schedules all of your pins. I think you can have up to 250 pins scheduled at a time. So what we want to do is once you come into your Tailwind account, you'll see a tab that says drafts. And in drafts, it's going to show you what they feel is like-minded content from what you've been posting. And you can repost from here, and we've done plenty of videos on this. So you're going to see this. If you scroll up here to the right, you're going to see pin from Instagram. This is where we want to go. This is going to connect to our Instagram account. And what we want to do is we want to click, you'll see if you hover over any of these, you want to click this schedule. Then what we want to do is click save as draft, and I'll tell you why in a second. So let's just go through and let's just do save as draft. Oops, if there's too many, if it's over 500 characters, then you can't pin that one. You'd have to manually do that one. So we'll go to save as draft. Oh, barnacles. Okay, so let's do save as draft. Oh my gosh. It used to be able to allow you to edit within these areas, but it's not allowing us to do that right now. Let me see. Okay, so let's then go down to this one, save as draft. And then once you go through and you save these ones as drafts, then you're going to come to your drafts area here. And then it's going to pull in those images that you saved from Instagram. And it's going to automatically schedule them for you. But let's change a few things. So we can adjust where we want that website traffic to go. So here we're going to add in our title. Okay, so social media for healthcare industry. And I can add it to more than just one board. So I don't want that board. That's the default board. I'm going to have, I can have it go to 5 different boards. Then if you scroll down here, you can change that and have it just go to your website. add to queue, and it's going to be automatically dropped into there to schedule out a few times. Here, we're going to go into content marketing. We want the social speak board, healthcare marketing, podcast marketing. And again, I want to change this to just our website, and then click add to queue. And here we have Facebook boards, social media management, social media marketing. And here I can either do two things. I can go to social, I can change this to social media today, because that's where I grabbed that content from originally, and then come back to here and change this to social media today. And then now if this is opposite, needs a perfect. So here, same thing. So we want to go through and we want to add the boards we want it to go to and change this back to our URL. Come down here and then add it. So this allows us to, this allows us to schedule out the pins. So it takes a little bit more time. You can also upload a board or an image directly into Tailwind, and that works as well. So there's a few, benefits of having Tailwind. It does cost, $15 a month, but there's so many cool things you can do with Tailwind, and it pulls in that content that you don't have to go look on Pinterest for, and it automatically schedules. So you don't have to remember, okay, did I schedule 10 this day or 2 this day or whatever it may be. So I hope that helps with sharing from Instagram to Pinterest and being able to connect these two. If you guys have questions, please let us know. Thank you.